I love falling asleep to the sound of rain. It pitter-patters on your window pane, in a reminder that, while although you're tucked up in bed, trying to fall into a peaceful slumber, the world outside you continues to go on. Without rain, life as we know it would cease to exist, meaning that everyone we know, every problem we've ever faced, every memory that we've ever shared would never have been created. Seen as around 55% of me is made up of water, I'd love to compare myself to a storm, although that's rather far-fetched. Sometimes I feel like a whirlwind of emotions with no clue if I'm going to lose my calm or spiral into a vortex of plummeting air. They always say that there's a calm before the storm. But if everyone is made up of the same element that creates storms, but also creates a beautiful array of sunrises, is there ever truly a calm? Or are we just naive?